how to download and install Adobe Lightroom on PC for free. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn that how can you download and install Adobe Lightroom on PC for free. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser on your system, in the search field you'll have to type for adobe.com, and from here you'll have to hit the enter. Alright, so after you come on the official website of Adobe, you will got sort of interface. So from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the option View All Apps. So simply click on it. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and find the app named Lightroom. So here it is. And simply from here, you'll have to tap on this free trial option. And now from here, you'll got such interface. So from here, for the best free trial subscription, you'll have to go with the options business. So simply click on it. And now from here, as you can see, here is the 14-day free trial. And then you have to pay the subscription payment for the apps. So you can make this payment like yearly or monthly. So choose the one from here and click on this continue option. Alright, so here I have not linked my bank credential to buy the subscription for this Lightroom app from the Adobe official website. So in your case, you have to make a payment with your credit card or debit card. So from there, you can enjoy the 14 days free trial of Adobe Lightroom on your PC, and then you have to pay for that application. So this is the method to download and install Adobe Lightroom on PC. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.